Hey guys, it's Andre, and today I am coming at you with a new releases video. I'm actually filming while Kirsten and Emily are working, so if you guys can hear them, I apologize. I'm just trying to see like what level of noise you guys are going to be able to hear versus not be able to hear, so I can see what I can do when I can do it, you know what I mean? So let's go ahead and get into this week's new releases. I'm going to try and talk a little bit louder just to drown out any noise that you guys may hear. So let's go over this week's wiggle. This week's wiggle is a different kind of foil. It's actually kind of a transparent foil, but we wanted to do something peachy, and this was kind of the option. I did pull out some kits I think that this will look really pretty with. So I did pull out the Father's Day kit, and this is going to look so pretty with this. I think it'll also look pretty with the Ariel kit. There is like a peachy color in this kit. And then also there is By the Sea, but of course there's plenty of other kits. These were just ones that I had that I have in my like to use pile, but it is the normal wiggle format here. It has the same format as last week. So you do have your corners, you have your icons and your date numbers, your twinkle headers, your twinkle full boxes, your sampler page here. The weekend banner is cut. The weekend banner will be cut from now on, and then also the bottom washi page here. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little sticker swatch so you guys can kind of see what this looks like and how it's kind of like a little bit different, but we for sure wanted to try it out as a foil option. We've been kind of going through and seeing kind of what you guys like. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on, actually tweezers might be the best thing to do it. This will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. This is really cool though. I don't know if you can see, so see how it's see-through? But like still like pretty opaque. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it on a sheet. Let me grab a sticker. If I have one around here somewhere, you think I would. Here we go. Let's go ahead and put this down, but it has a really cool like sheen to it. So let me go ahead and show you. So that is what it looks like. So that will be available this Wednesday at noon Eastern. We're probably going to call it Peachy Sheen or something like that. If you guys have any better ideas for names, let me know. But it is a super cute peachy color. Really excited about that one. Oh no, I actually used that icon on both my pages, but that's fine. I live at work now. Not I live at work, but I have all my products where I plan now, so it all works out. Let's go into the releases for this Friday. I have 3 vinyl bows. The first one here is a white bow, just a white glossy bow. There is also then this one, which is a hot pink glitter. This one's super beautiful. These ones I feel like are gonna sell really well. And then this one is a silver sparkle. I feel like these are really universal, especially the white and the silver, and then this pink is like super pretty. Love that one. So those are the vinyl bows that'll be coming out this Friday. We also do have some scripts coming out, which you guys were blowing up my Instagram when I posted about these. So these are single script sheets. So before I had samplers, and now these are just regular scripts, and I am so excited about these. So these will come in all 4 foil colors. So this one is Work, and they'll all be on one listing for easy ordering. And then you have Target Run, which I'm going to use so many of these. Then there also is Workout, super cute. Payday, as well as Starbucks Run. Love these. So we will have more scripts to come in the future, but obviously we cannot release them all at one time, so we will be releasing them periodically. And just kind of like in a set of 5 or something like that. But I love these so much, and I cannot wait to start using them in my planner. It is the same person who is lettering all of our new sheets, like the Magic 2.0 stuff and stuff like that. So really excited about that. We do have 4 Scribbler sheets coming out this week. We have 2 graduation ones. We have grad cap and then just regular grad. They will come in all 3 of the different girls. And then we do have the dad, so the dad and the daughter, and the dad and the son. And again, they will come in the 3 different girls. So those are the Scribblers that will be coming out this Friday. Then we have 4 collections this week. None of these are exclusive art, but I really loved all of them, and I'm excited to use them. So let's go ahead and go through these kits. So this one here is called Lauren, and Lauren is so beautiful. It reminds me of March/fall, a really great like August to fall transition kit. So I'm going to go through one mini kit, and then I'll go through all of the ultimates. But if you miss anything, we do have photos on the site when these come live. So you do have your little freebie here. You have your full boxes. I love these so much. I love the green. It's just, everything's so pretty. And these colors are so beautiful. Again, it reminds me kind of March, but also kind of like a August to September kind of transition, or even like a November kind of fall kit. Super pretty. And again, this is called Lauren. So here's your bottom washi. This does have the option for if you want to do the 15mm add-on. It would be so pretty. I love this color green. There's not a lot of kits with this color green, so I love it. There's also the glitter headers if you want to add that on. There is also the label sampler if you want to add that on. This has been super popular. And then last but not least, we also do have a fashion add-on with the 2 different style girls, so you can kind of like use them and they won't be exactly the same, you know what I mean? I like doing that whenever there is the like option to. So I think this is another one. I love the ones that you can kind of use with any foil color. I feel like this would look really beautiful with gold, silver, or rose gold. I just think it's absolutely stunning. Would even look really pretty with that orange. So super beautiful. Probably going to be saving this for August. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'll probably use it when I start getting sick of summer kits, which won't take that long. And then this is the mini kit, and like I said, the mini kit is very similar. So you have your same freebie, your same full boxes, your same functional deco page, your same functional page. This is the page that's different, and then you have the same bottom washi and extra full box page. So that is the Lauren mini kit. Really excited about these, and again, all of the stuff that I'm showing you besides the Wiggle Wednesday does become available Friday at noon Eastern. The next kit here is called Moving In, and it is so pretty. So it does come also in a mini kit. All of this week's kits do come in mini and ultimate, and I'm really excited for there to be 4, just because I feel like you guys can pick up a lot of things at once. So this is the freebie. I love the colors in this kit. So pretty. I was gonna do an all gray, but I just feel like the colors that were chosen for this were just too good to not like include. So this is the ultimate kit. I love everything. I love the gray and the blue, but also the pop of the kind of like coral and yellow. So cute. That's the bottom washi. You guys also have the option to add on the 15mm strip. There's also an option to add on the glitter headers. There is an option to add on the girls, which are super cute painting. And then there's also the option to add on the label sampler. And like I said, this also does come in a mini kit. So if you're a mini kit user, that will be available as well. And this would be super pretty with silver, or be really pretty with rose gold too, or gold. Maybe even hollow if you want to go like really fun. Next, there is a kit called Desert Chic, which does also, like I said, come in a mini kit. So let's go through this first. I love this. It has bright colors. None of the other kits this week have really bright colors, so it's kind of nice to kind of break all of those like more muted colors up. So this one is super cute. This one is called Desert Chic. I love this so much with the pinks. I just think it's kind of like neutral, calm, and then but it still has like those pops of colors. So I love this. I love these colors. Oh, so pretty. I think this is very anytime. It's super pretty. Like, look at these colors. And then you just have a simple bottom washi. You have the 15mm if you want to add that on. I love this pink. It's a very like cool toned hot pink. There's also the the glitter headers if you want to add that on. There's also the fashion girl. I love the girl with the blue hair, super cute. And then there's also the label sampler if you want to add that on as well. So that is the Desert Chic kit. Again, that does also come in a mini kit. And then last but not least, we don't know the last time I've actually done 4 kits in 1 week, but it's some of my favorite weeks. So the last kit is called Lavender Dreams, which, how pretty is this? I think this one, I don't know which one's gonna be the best seller. I feel like maybe this one or Lauren, I don't know. They're all really pretty. I think it depends on how many people might be moving as well. So this is the freebie here. It also does come, like I said, in a mini kit. Oh, I love the colors in this. I did edit them just a little bit to be a little bit more muted, but oh my goodness, with the marble, this will go great with marble multicolor. Again, Lavender Dreams, I think it works because it has like all those different purple hues and it's very like sleepover kind of vibes. So this is the deco page. Like these colors, these colors, so you kind of have a little bit of like a periwinkle color, like a blue, a light purple, kind of lavender color, and then the more like actual like purple. Oh, it's so pretty. I love these colors. Like whenever I saw this art, I was like, I need to use it, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use the kit. But like these colors are something so unique. And just imagine this with silver foil. It's going to pop so beautifully. Very light, minimalistic bottom washi, but like with that, it's going to be perfect. So you have your 15mm strip. You also have the option to add on the glitter headers. There is also an option if you want to add on the label sampler. And then last but not least, there is also an option if you want to add on the girls, which there is a variety of different girls here. And you could totally use all these boxes and they wouldn't look like using the same Fashion Girl box, you know. So, which is really cool that the artist did include a ton of different girls, not just even just the skin tone hair colors, but different girls just in general, as you can see. So that's everything for this week. All 4 of these collections. We have Lavender Dreams, we have Desert Chic, we have Moving In, and then we have, let me zoom you guys out, we have Lauren, which is so pretty. I love these colors. I feel like whenever I saw it, I was like, this is very Kirsten. So we have Lauren, and then we have some Scribblers, and then we have the new scripts, which I am so excited about. I have a feeling these are going to sell really, really well. I think that you guys are going to love them. It can be a really good price point. And then, which they will all be the same price, just like regardless of how many are on the sheet, because we usually price by the sheet size. And then we also have the vinyl bows. That's everything that will be available Friday at noon Eastern, and then we also will have this wiggle available Wednesday at noon Eastern. So that's everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new release video, and I will talk to you guys in my next one.